Alrighty, so I'm just going to do a little before sort of run of changing the sprocket from the standard 18 tooth to the 19 tooth. Just makes it cruise a bit better on the highway. Unfortunately, I don't have a tack on the bike. I'm going to try and do a 0 to 100 sort of run on an app. Compare that, just sort of shift points as well, and then I guess just how I find it. So we'll go for a ride. There we go. For anyone interested, this cover has what, 5 8mm bolts. These ones, they come off. This one I've just used a big shifter, put the bike in gear, foot on the brake, and then just cracked that nut. So what we're going to do, we're just going to take that off. Got to push in this little plate. It's already straight, so that'll just come off. Now, what we need to do is back off this bolt here on both sides. I'm going to wind the chain tensioner in so that wheel can slide right in. That should get the chain off. Put the new sprocket on. So it's an 18 tooth. We're going to chuck on a 19 tooth. Put it back on, use the chain tensioner, get the chain alright, and then we're good to go. So I'll show you how it goes. Okay, bike is back together with a 19 tooth sprocket. So I've gone from 18 tooth to 19. Let's give it a little test run.